Here's some tapestry weaving trivia. Subscribe. Who is a notable tapestry artist from France? Is it A. Claude Monet, B. Jean Lorsat, C. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, or D. Émile Zola? The correct answer is B. Jean Lorsat. What historical event does the Bayeux Tapestry depict? Is it A. Crusades, B. Magna Carta signing, C. Spanish Armada, or D. Norman conquest? The correct answer is D. Norman conquest. Which country is home to the Gobelins Manufactory? Is it A. France, B. Italy, C. Spain, or D. Belgium? The correct answer is A. France. What type of fabric is used for backing tapestries? Is it A. canvas, B. linen, C. silk, or D. wool? The correct answer is A. canvas. What is the primary function of tapestries and castles? Is it A. combat training, B. soundproofing, C. insulation, or D. fire safety? The correct answer is C. insulation. What weaving technique uses a single continuous thread? Is it A. knitting technique, B. tapestry method, C. warp and weft, or D. quilting style? The correct answer is C. warp and weft. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.